And it was like, what the word, devil, you didn't try it this morning, but guess what? I got something for you. You got to just get mad. I said, devil, not today, not today. You gonna lose, cause I got a lot for you. Yes, I do. Because the Lord is my shepherd, I have everything I need. He led me to go walk in the house and get that air pump out I needed. He restored my failing flat. Yeah, and it helped me to go along the day. Ooh, that's why I'm safe. That's why I'm safe. Thank y'all, slime. I'm safe. Yes, God. All right, gotta go.